Welcome back to study section 5 on AG 201 Introduction to Agricultural Economics. Here we'll be talking about the price theory. Introduction. We have analyzed the forces of demand and supply in the two previous study sections, and we have seen that according to the laws of demand and supply, more is supplied at higher prices while less is demanded, but at a lower price the opposite is the case. Less is supplied but more is demanded. From these two laws, we could see that there will be a price. Goods have prices because they are useful and scarce. So free goods do not have prices because they are not scarce. At the end of this study section, you should be able to know the meaning of price determination and various ways it can be determined. Secondly, you should be able to differentiate between market and normal prices. And lastly, you should be able to know some conditions necessary for stable equilibrium. Let's discuss this learning outcome one after the other. Meaning of price. Price of a commodity is the rate at which the commodity can be exchanged for anything else. So price is a signal to producers to expand or contract their rate of production. Also, it reflects the marginal social value of a commodity. And also, price is used to ration goods among prospective buyers in the market. Please note that one central function of a price is to equate demand with supply. Therefore, prices are being determined by the following processes. We have sales by function, offers at fixed prices, we have equilibrium prices. Let's take them one after the other. Sales by function. This involves one seller and the number of prospective buyers. The good is offered for sale, but the buyer bid it down and the good is sold to the highest bidder. That is, one prepared to pay the highest price. Offers at fixed prices. In the advanced countries and even supermarkets in Nigeria, prices of foodstuffs, clothing and household goods, etc. are determined at definite price. The last one is equilibrium price. The market price is determined by the interplay of forces of demand and supply. We have different types of prices. We have market and normal prices. So market price, this is the price chart in the short run period, that is the short term equilibrium price, when supply and demand may be subject to temporary influences. While normal price is the price chart in the market in the long run period, when the conditions of supply and demand have stabilized and the rate of consumption of a good is equal to the rate at which it is being produced. Normal price is the long run equilibrium price. Stable equilibrium analysis. Stable equilibrium can be attained if the following conditions are being met. The first one, equilibrium will be stable when slightly to the left of the equilibrium position as the demand price exceeds the supply price, and slightly to the right of it the supply price exceeds the demand price. Also, the equilibrium is also stable if at a price slightly above the equilibrium level the amount demanded falls short of the amount supplied. The stability condition will always be fulfilled if the demand curve slopes downward and the supply curve slopes upward. Thank you for listening. I hope you've learned two or two things from this video section. Join me for the next study section.